Guys, it's me, Taco Man. I'm getting a new car. The Taco Mobile isn't what it used to be. Oh yeah, back it up. Back it up. There we go. Oh wait, I probably should close the door. Or open it. I don't freaking know how words work, man. Alright, beep. Oh crap. Sorry. Beep. Beep. Oh god, Alright, let's go. Turn. I'm Taco Man. I'm getting a new Taco Mobile, and it's right there. It's perfect. Ow. I don't need that anymore. I'm Taco Man. Alright. Let me see how good this one is. Alright. Ooh, this looks cool. Ouch. Why? Let me turn. There we go. Whee! Ow! I keep hitting things. I'm Taco Man. Ouch. I need to gently park. Gently park. I said gently. Gently. That's not gently. There. Gently park. Perfect. I'm Taco Man. So, I haven't been doing much since the attack on New York, except for, I don't know, I can't remember. It's not important. But I saw something interesting on Taco Man. Alright. So we still have all the corpses from the battle. That's fine. But I'm Taco Man. Look. What is that in there? What is that? I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm Taco Man. There seems to be 2 guards guarding it. Hold on. I know this mall. There should be an entrance into there. Nope, that's not it. Here we go. Die. I'm Taco Man. Alright. We got him. Now, what is this thing? It looked like a portal of some kind. Made out of Minecraft blocks. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. I'm Taco Man. Alright, do I go through the portal? Hold on, let me decide real quick. Let's go.